Hey folks, so in this video I will guide you through how to create a SSH key on Windows WSL. So sometimes you need to create SSH keys to connect VPS to terminal in WSL or Linux, and also sometimes you need to connect SSH keys for GitHub to access some of the repositories and things like that. So let's see how to create it. So first of all, you need to run this command on WSL terminal. So in here you can change this email address to your email address. So let me try this command. So my email address is this one. So let me run this command. So after that, it will ask you the location where you want to save this key. So in here, you can, if you want, you can rename the key name, this one, to something else. Let me show you how to do that. So first you need to enter file location where you want to save the key. I add this location. So in here, you need to add the name for your key. I add N810VPS as a key name. And here it asks for password for your key. For now, I just keep it empty and hit enter because I don't need the key passphrase. But if you need password, make sure to add it. As you can see, now the key is generated in this location. So after that, you need to run this command to start the ssh-agent. You can see agent is started. So now after that, to add your SSH key to ssh-agent, you have to run this command. So in here, make sure to rename this to the key name you just added here. For example, in here I renamed key to this N810VPS. So make sure to add it here and run the command. Let me change this and run the command. Okay, now key is added to SSH configuration. So now if you go to WSL, you can see here the key is saved. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. See you in the next video.